So welcome guys to a video. I am dyeing my hair this really cool, awesome rose gold blush pink today. So if you want to learn how I did it, stay tuned. So first of all, I just want to say I'm not a professional of anything. I'm just doing my own thing. I like dyeing my hair, so I'm dyeing my hair. So yeah, as you can see right now, there's orange in there and some white pinkish. First, I tried to use a different dye that was from L'Oreal. So I used this hair dye on basically blonde hair, but as you can see, it turned out orange and white silverish and nothing like the package promised it would look like. So today I'm going to dye it by diluting red semi-permanent hair dye. So if you're excited, stay tuned. The first step is gonna be washing your hair because my hair is really greasy right now. So what I've learned is that if you wash your hair just only with shampoo and then towel dry it, so you have like damp hair, the color sticks the best. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So after you've washed your hair, it's gonna be towel dry wet. So this is what my hair looks like right now. So you're ready to dye, so you're gonna need your first few things. So first of all, I got the crazy color Ruby Rouge. It's kind of a pinkish red. I have a few clips to clip my hair up, and of course a brush and a mixing bowl. So let's get started. So the sun just decided to come through, so I figured I'm gonna try to see if I can show you my hair in this light as well. I hope you can see it. On this side. But yeah, so make sure you're always wearing an old shirt once a year, something you don't care about. I'm actually getting a new one for Christmas, so that's why I'm probably gonna dye it in this one because it's kind of cold outside, and this one keeps me nice and warm, and I don't wear it outside, so I don't really care about it anymore. So yeah, let's get dyeing. This is everything I'm using. I also forgot to mention I'm using Vaseline to put around the edges of my hairline to not get dye everywhere. So yeah, let's get started. Ended up using the crazy color Ruby Rouge, and this is the color that's gonna go with my rootage, and this is the color that I'm putting for the ends because I kind of want to get like an ombre effect like I already have going on right now. I hope you can see it. It's like darker here, then it's lighter, and then it's really light. So yeah. So first I'm gonna just section off my hair. Since I already have a side cut, it's pretty easy on this side, but the other side is harder. Let's get dyeing. So I'm starting off with a darker color right now, feathering it in kind of into the darker parts of my hair. dye's gone. All in my hair. I washed my hands and there's just a little pinkish tone to it, but like not a problem. Wash out in 1 or 2 hand washes, like when you wash your hands. So I'm gonna leave this in for about half an hour and then I'm gonna rinse it out. No shampoo, no conditioner, since there was already conditioner in the dye. So, and then you'll see the finished result. So I rinsed my hair out and this is what it looks like. For now I'm really happy with the result. But it's gonna be a bit lighter when I dry it. So I'm gonna blow dry and do my makeup and then I'll show you the finished result. So yeah, this is the finished result. It's a rose gold up here and a more light blush pink at the end. I'll show you the back. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. I loved how it turned out. It will fade a little bit over next few washes, so I would recommend if you dye your hair with semi-permanent hair dye to wash it with cold water, because it will definitely make sure that the color lasts longer. Yeah, well, I'm happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do a thumbs up and subscribe for more hair dye videos and other content if you like. Bye!